top 5 best grinders. Number 1. KRUPS Grind and Brew Auto Start Maker with built-in brew coffee grinder, 10 cups, black. 10 Cuban pesos coffee maker W/built-in grinder, brew great tasting coffee at home. Built-in conical burr grinder grinds beans right before brewing for enticingly rich aroma and full-bodied flavor, no need for a separate grinder. Number 2. Grinder, 4-piece zinc alloy pollen rainbow grinder spice grinder colorful metal crusher with magnetic top, 52mm, 2-inch. Thin poly O-ring for smooth grinding and less friction, which makes your grinding more consistent and smooth to cut and flutter all your spice. Multiple functions, ideal for grinding spice, coffee, etc. Use your own customized pollen scraper, unique design. Number 3. KRUPS F203 electric spice and coffee grinder with stainless steel blades, 3 ounces/85G, black. Oval blade shape for uniform, even grinding. Large grinding capacity yields up to 12 cups of coffee. Versatile unit grinds all kinds of dry spices. Lid activated safety switch. Number 4. 4-piece 2.5 inches aluminum lightning pattern clear top herb grinder, purple. Huge grinder, can store a LT, lots of sharp teeth, so it's super easy and fast to grind. Feels great, very sturdy, and looks awesome. I love that you can see what you're grinding through the glass top, so you don't have to check if it's ground down enough and risk spilling. It came with maintenance tools cleaners. Number 5. Dual angle grinder tool, paddle switch, 4-1/2-inch, 11M, DWE402. Plastic/metal, imported, 11M AC/DC 11,000 RPMs motor which provides the best power to weight size ratio available, spindle size 5/8-11 in, 1400 W, corded power tool, tool length 12 inches. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe.